substitute the French Curl Braiding hair for regular crochet, just check out this video. I tried to conjure up some magic, but got a spell played on me. So y'all know I don't do a lot of braids and twists and locks. I prefer the straighter styles, the curlier styles, the ocean waves, the deep twist stuff like that, but it just hasn't been that much of that kind of new hair coming out lately. So I saw that a bunch of companies were coming out with French Curl, and I picked up a few packs at my local beauty supply store of the Bobby Boss brand for $5.99 a pack. Cut it in half and call myself gonna do some crochet braids with it. Now, the hair itself is really pretty. It's super soft, good quality, pre-curled, pre-stretched, and the stock card says it's easy to separate. Girl, when I tell you it took about 2 days, at least 2 days for me to complete this look. This hair is not for regular crochet braids. It's not like your pre-looped or not even the bulk crochet hair. It was really tedious trying to separate this hair out into small strands. So this was my finished look. I think I used about 2 packs cut in half, and I was not happy with it at all. It's really full, and when you cut it in half, the curls really don't fall in any kind of organized pattern. I did try to trim it down, thin it out some. Not a good idea either. It just really created even more blunt ends, and that pretty French curl pattern was just totally destroyed. My advice, if you like me and you're tired of all the old crochet styles that are on the market and you're still waiting for something different and new, just go and get you some regular Connect-A-Lawn in maybe a different color, and go back to the old school method of curling and dipping the hair and create your own new style. If braids are your thing and that's what you're looking for, you're looking for some braiding hair with a nice French curl, the Bobby Boss would be a good option. I did try to do at least one braid with this hair just to see how it would turn out, and I still had a few issues with separating the hair, but once I started braiding, there really wasn't much tangling, and it's soft on your hands. I would recommend it for braiding styles. I also watched a few videos here on YouTube of ladies that use the Bobby Boss hair for complete braiding installations, and they pretty much said the same thing. I will post those links down in the description box. If you found this video somewhat helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I have actually ordered some new crochet hair. Woo hoo! Can't wait to get that. Should be coming in this week, and I will plan on doing a new crochet braids video next weekend. So keep your eyes out for that, YouTube. In the meantime, you know what I always say before I leave. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.